In this video, we would like to show you how you can build up a dashboard that contains watchlists, widgets on the left side and a TradingView widget on the right side. You may use this dashboard for exploring the market. The dashboard configuration is accessible from the top right corner of the page by clicking on the cog icon. You can add widgets by clicking on the name of the widget under the Widgets Available section. With the checkbox underneath, you may control whether the widget automations should be adjusted automatically or not. On dashboard level, this checkbox is not that relevant now since we will adjust the widget automations manually later. As you may see here, there is no watchlist widget among the buttons here since the watchlist can only be organized into a so-called expansion panels widget. Therefore, let's add the expansion panels and TradingView widgets. Now let's move and resize these widgets. By clicking the move icon of their top left corner and dragging them, you may move them to their final place one by one. Let's move the TradingView widget to its place. With the icon in their right bottom corner, you may resize them. Let's move the expansion panels widget. Let's resize it. Let's add 4 watchlist widgets from the expansion panels configuration. And now let's add the automation. What we want to achieve here is to send the contracts from these watchlists to the TradingView widget. If you click on the checkbox of the first watchlist, then at the bottom you can select where it should send the contract. Let's set it. Let's do the same for all other watchlists. To configure the watchlists, let's open the cog icon of the first on. Let's name this watchlist as Stocks. This name appears at the header or the watchlist. Let's add the tickers separated by commas. You can see that it got filled with data. Let's configure the next watchlist. Let's name this watchlist as ETFS. Let's add the tickers separated by commas. You can see that it got filled with data. Let's configure the next watchlist. Let's name this watchlist as Indices. Let's add the tickers separated by commas. Indices do not have bid, ask prices and volume, so then we can turn these columns off and turn on some other interesting ones like implied volatility and historical volatility. You can see that it got filled with data. Let's configure the next watchlist. Let's name this watchlist as Futures. Let's add the tickers separated by commas. Let's try out the automation by clicking on the first tickers. In the dashboard configuration menu, you can save this dashboard under a name. When you click out of the right side drawer, then this name will appear at the end of the current URL in the location bar of the browser. You may bookmark this page by this URL into your browser. Please note that this dashboard is saved under your private space at Quantdroid.com. If you want to share this dashboard with your friends, then you should click on the share button, by which a new URL will be generated with a hashcode at the end. The URL is copied onto your clipboard. Whoever you share this link with will be able to open this dashboard as long as he or she has an account with Quantdroid.com. In the configuration, you may set this dashboard to be listed in the Dashboards menu. And it is listed with a screenshot here. In a nutshell, this would be it about this dashboard. Thank you for watching this video. See you in a next one.